What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more case reviews for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This time we're looking at the cases I have in from Ringke. Let's check them out. So right in front of me, I actually have three cases in. These two are the Fusion X, and this one is the Onyx. All three of these are from Ringke. Also, they were able to send me over some easy film. You can actually check out their installation. They have it on their website. I may not be putting that on just because I'm using my fingerprint scanner and I have to do more thorough testing before I actually put that on. But for right now, this is what we got. So I'm going to push that to the side, and we're going to talk about this right here. So first one is the actual Onyx. Now, if I can get this open, there we go. And I will say that Ringke has eco-friendly packaging, so you can recycle this. It's fully recyclable, good for the environment. So the Onyx is more like that flexible type rubberish. You actually have the grooves in the back that are going to cushion any fall, any drop that you have. Now, feels really good in the hand, not slippery at all. This contours to your grip. You got nice camera protection right there, looks good. You have a nice raised bezel on each end. Buttons, nice and clicky. The phone is actually off. I'm going to turn that on. There we go. So we can make sure we get a good charge test out of it. Flipping it over on the bottom, everything looks good. Everything lines up. I can get that S Pen really easily. And then up here, nice precise cutouts. Everything looks extremely good. Next thing I want to do is bring in this wireless charger that I have, and this is what we're going to do. Wireless charging, and it is fast wireless charging. So this case does not hinder any of your fast wireless charging capabilities. This is the Onyx, remember? There we go. So this is the Onyx. It's sitting on the phone right now. Let's get these two opened. This is the Fusion X in camo, and this is the regular Fusion X. Now there is a Fusion X that is also in blue, so you guys go by and check that out when you get a chance. I'm going to drop links below. Okay, so Fusion X actually has a protective film across the back. It's going to protect just like that, and then you actually have a protective film on the inside. If I can find where the tab is, I can get that out for you. There we go. I got it. So you got a protective film on the inside. Get that out as well. And there we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the Onyx off, and it just pops off just like that. Drop this in. Fusion X in and good to go. Now Fusion X, I get nice hard rubberized edges. There we go. Nice bumpers right there. Raised lip. Flip it over. Camera sits down in that nice groove. You get your Fusion X logo right here on the side. And then let's talk about the ability to see my phone through here. Nice clear case. Nice hard edges. Everything looks good. Everything matches up. Let's see the bottom. There we go. Precise cutouts. It's easy for me to get to that S Pen, just like that. And precise cutouts up top as well. Wireless charging capability. There we go. We are wireless charging. Let's make sure we are fast wireless charging. Get that off. Tap, 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 tap. There we go. Fast wireless charging. We're good to go. Does not hinder your fast wireless charge. Next up, let's try the camouflage just to see what it looks like. Remember, you got this plastic coating you got to get out of there. If I can get to it. They really made this difficult. Let's see. There we go. It really made that hard to get to. And the back of this one has no plastic. So let's do this. Pop this one right out. Pop that one right in. All right, same as the other case, just has a nice camo, and that really looks nice with that blue behind there. So like a blue camouflage on the back of your phone. Same thing, camera sits down in there. Cutouts match up really nicely. Everything looks good up top. Buttons, nice, clicky, nice and tactile. Everything is a go. Even fast wireless charging is a go. So these cases are approved. They do everything they say they're going to do. They're going to protect your phone. They're going to allow you to wirelessly charge. And they are going to look good and keep you stylish with that color that you got on that phone. What more can you ask for? So I'll drop links below so you can go and check these out. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.